Hey everyone, in this video, we're diving deep into 5 unusual, lesser-known ways to give your income a serious boost. We're not talking about the usual side hustles here, this is about tapping into those hidden income streams that most people completely overlook. Imagine turning your photography hobby into a money-making machine or having your belongings pay their own rent. We'll explore how to monetize your photos on platforms like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock, turning those stunning shots into cold, hard cash. We'll also uncover the secrets of renting out your stuff. Think tools, equipment, even your car, and how platforms like Airbnb and Turo can make it happen. But that's not all. We're going to dive into the world of market research, where your opinions can actually earn you money. We'll also unlock the power of digital content creation, showing you how to craft and sell ebooks and online courses on platforms like Hotmart and Udemy. And for the more adventurous, we'll even touch upon the exciting yet volatile world of cryptocurrency and how it could potentially skyrocket your income. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's unlock those hidden income streams together. Have you ever been told you have an eye for photography? Maybe you just love capturing those everyday moments, the beauty of nature, or the candid expressions of your loved ones. Well, guess what? Those photos could be your ticket to some serious extra cash. We're talking about monetizing your photography on stock photo websites. Now you might be thinking, but Marissa, I'm not a professional photographer, and you know what? That's perfectly okay. Stock photo sites aren't just for those with fancy cameras and years of experience. They're always on the lookout for fresh, authentic images that capture real life, and that's where you come in. Platforms like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock are constantly buzzing with businesses, bloggers, and creators looking for the perfect image to bring their projects to life. From stunning landscapes to mouth-watering food photography, the demand for high-quality stock photos is huge, and it's only growing. So how does it work? It's actually pretty simple. You sign up on one of these platforms, create a portfolio of your best work, and then start uploading. Each time someone downloads one of your photos, you earn a royalty, a small percentage of the sale. Now it might not seem like much at first, but remember, every download adds up. The key here is to think like a customer. What kind of images are people searching for? What are the current trends? Do your research, browse the popular categories, and tailor your photography to meet that demand. And don't be afraid to get creative. Unique angles, interesting compositions, and capturing those special moments are what set your photos apart from the crowd. Remember, consistency is key. The more high-quality photos you upload, the greater your chances of getting noticed and downloaded. Treat it like a business, set yourself goals, and watch as those passive income streams start flowing in. Let's face it, we all have stuff. Closets overflowing with clothes, garages packed with tools we rarely use, and maybe even a spare bedroom gathering dust. But what if I told you that all that stuff could actually be making you money while it just sits there? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of the sharing economy, where renting out your belongings has never been easier or more lucrative. We're talking about turning those underutilized assets into money-making machines. And the best part, it's easier than you think. Think about it. Do you have a power drill that only sees the light of day once a year? Rent it out on a platform like Neighbor? Got a passion for fashion and a closet bursting with designer pieces? List them on Rent the Runway or StyleLend and let others experience the joy of your wardrobe while you rake in the profits. And for those of you with a car that spends more time parked than on the road, platforms like Turo and GetAround allow you to rent out your vehicle to pre-screened drivers, turning your car into a passive income powerhouse. It's like Airbnb, but for your car. The beauty of this side hustle is its flexibility. You choose what you want to rent, set your own prices, and decide on the rental terms. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat of your financial future. Plus, you're tapping into a growing market of people who are embracing the sharing economy, looking for affordable and convenient alternatives to buying. So take a good look around your house. That kayak gathering dust in the garage, that high-end camera you haven't touched in months, they could be your ticket to some serious extra cash. Embrace the sharing economy, put your belongings to work, and watch as your bank account thanks you. Chapter 3. Get paid for your opinion, cashing in with market research. Have you ever been stopped on the street and asked for your opinion on a new product? Or maybe you've received an email inviting you to participate in a survey. Well, those are just glimpses into the world of market research, and believe it or not, it can be a surprisingly lucrative way to earn some extra cash. Companies across the globe are constantly seeking the opinions and feedback of everyday consumers like you and me. They want to know what we think about their products, services, and even their marketing campaigns. And the best part, they're willing to pay for our insights. Now, you're not going to get rich overnight by taking surveys, but it can be a fun and easy way to earn some extra spending money. Plus, it's a great way to make your voice heard and potentially influence the development of future products and services. There are tons of different ways to get involved in market research. Online surveys are probably the most common and accessible. Platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer a wide range of surveys on various topics, and you earn points or cash rewards for each survey you complete. Another option is to participate in focus groups. These are usually in-person or online discussions where you share your thoughts and opinions on a specific product or service with a moderator and a small group of other consumers. Focus groups typically pay more than online surveys, but they also require a bit more time commitment. The key to success in market research is to be honest, thoughtful, and articulate in your responses. Companies are looking for genuine insights, so don't be afraid to share your true opinions, even if they're critical. And who knows, your feedback might just help shape the future of your favorite products. Chapter 4. Unleash your inner guru, creating and selling digital content. Are you passionate about something? Do you have a skill or knowledge that you believe others would find valuable? Well, in today's digital age, sharing your expertise and turning it into a profitable online business has never been easier. We're talking about creating and selling digital content. Ebooks, online courses, templates, workbooks. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Once you've created your digital product, it can generate passive income for months, even years to come. Think about it. What are you naturally good at? What are people always asking for your advice on? Maybe you're a whiz at photography, a master chef, a coding guru, or a financial wizard. Whatever your passion or expertise, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Hotmart and Udemy make it incredibly easy to package your knowledge into engaging online courses. You can record video lessons, create downloadable resources, and even interact with your students through online forums. It's like having your own virtual classroom. If writing is more your thing, ebooks are a fantastic way to share your expertise and generate passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing make it super simple to self-publish your ebook and reach a global audience. The key to success in the world of digital products is to provide real value to your audience. Create high-quality content that is informative, engaging, and actionable. Don't be afraid to niche down and focus on a specific topic or skill. The more specialized your knowledge, the more valuable it becomes. Chapter 5. Crypto and coffee dipping your toes into the world of cryptocurrency. Now, this last income-boosting idea isn't for the faint of heart, but for those willing to explore the exciting, albeit volatile world of cryptocurrency. It can potentially offer significant returns. But remember, with high potential rewards come higher risks. Cryptocurrency is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin are just a few examples of the thousands of cryptocurrencies that exist. Investing in cryptocurrency is like riding a roller coaster. There are exhilarating highs and stomach-churning lows. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, so it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're new to the world of crypto, it's essential to start small and educate yourself. There are tons of online resources, courses, and communities where you can learn the ins and outs of cryptocurrency trading. Start by investing in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and gradually diversify your portfolio as you gain more experience. Remember, cryptocurrency is still a relatively new and evolving market, so it's crucial to approach it with caution and a long-term investment mindset. Don't get caught up in the hype or make impulsive decisions based on emotions. Treat it like any other investment. Do your research, understand the risks, and invest responsibly. Outro: unlock your earning potential. So there you have it, 5 unique and often overlooked ways to boost your income. Whether you're a budding photographer, a sharing economy enthusiast, a market research guru, a digital content creator, or a cryptocurrency explorer, there's an opportunity out there waiting for you. Remember, building multiple streams of income is key to achieving financial freedom and security. It's about diversifying your earning potential and creating a safety net for whatever life throws your way. So what are you waiting for? Take action, explore these opportunities, and start transforming your financial reality today. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on boosting your income and achieving your financial goals. Until next time, keep hustling and stay financially savvy.